My stomach used to feel unsettled so easily, even a small change in meals would throw everything off. But just one glass of this bright red drink made such a noticeable difference that I was genuinely surprised. With just beetroot, carrot, ginger, tomato, and a little parsley ingredients you probably already know well, you can create a refreshing drink that supports your body and leaves you feeling more balanced each day. If you're looking for a gentle, natural way to care for your well-being, stay with me until the end of the video to see exactly how I make it. First, wash all of the ingredients thoroughly to remove any dirt and keep the mixture fresh. When people talk about natural superfoods that help the body feel lighter and more comfortable, they often think of expensive or hard-to-find items. But in reality, with just a few familiar ingredients right from the kitchen, you can create a blend that gently supports your overall well-being. These simple ingredients aren't just cooking items, they feel like pure gifts from nature, helping care for the body from the inside in a slow, soothing, and very natural way. Start by peeling and dicing the beetroot and carrots. First is the beetroot, known for its rich reddish purple color, found in many cuisines and traditional herbal practices. Beetroot is often appreciated as a natural ingredient that may help ease discomfort from swelling stiffness or general fatigue, which many people experience from time to time. In addition, the natural components in beetroot may support the body's cell renewal process, helping with recovery after periods of stress or exhaustion. Another interesting benefit is that beetroot supports circulation, which may help nourish the brain and promote mental clarity. Many people share that when they use beetroot regularly, they feel more relaxed, less stressed, and less tired, almost as if they're gently recharged each day. That's why beetroot is often considered one of the vegetables that supports both well-being and a positive mood. Next is the carrot. Carrots are widely known for their rich beta-carotene content, a precursor to vitamin A, which supports vision, overall wellness, and contributes to skin protection. Beyond that, carrots contain a variety of valuable nutrients that play an important role in protecting cells, supporting circulation, and helping the body maintain strength more comfortably. Carrots are also rich in natural fiber, which helps support smooth digestion and gentle daily cleansing. With their combination of minerals, vitamins, and fiber, carrots become not only a tasty ingredient, but also a wholesome addition to any blend that refreshes and nourishes the body. Are carrots common where you live? I'd love to hear how they're used in different areas. We might learn some wonderful new ideas from each other. The third ingredient is parsley, a familiar herb that offers far more nutritional value than many people realize. In this recipe, we'll focus on the leaves, as parsley leaves contain vitamin C, vitamin K, flavonoids, and natural antioxidants. Because of this, parsley may help support gum and oral wellness, something especially useful for older adults who often deal with dental sensitivity. Another important benefit is its ability to help release excess salt and water through urination. which can ease that heavy, sluggish feeling and help the body feel lighter and more comfortable. For that reason, many people consider parsley a gentle cleansing herb for the body, simple yet effective. Now we move on to the next important ingredient, about 20 grams of fresh ginger. Ginger has long been trusted in many households to support digestion, especially for those who often experience bloating, gassiness, or a heavy feeling after meals. By encouraging natural digestive fluids, ginger can help food move through the system more comfortably and may also help improve appetite, which is especially helpful for older adults or anyone who doesn't always feel hungry. In addition, ginger's gentle warmth brings a soothing sensation, supports circulation, and helps the body feel more at ease, especially on days when weather changes can leave us feeling a bit off. Next, we add about 10 cherry tomatoes. This tiny fruit is often overlooked, but in reality, it's packed with valuable nutrients. Cherry tomatoes contain natural calming properties that may help ease mild swelling or discomfort and support the body on days when you're just not feeling your best. They also have gentle cleansing qualities and may help release excess fluid, reducing that heavy or sluggish feeling. They are especially supportive of the liver and digestion, helping the body absorb nutrients more effectively. Small but mighty cherry tomatoes are absolutely worth including in a natural wellness routine. By the way, I'd love to know where you're watching this video from. Are you from a big city, a coastal area, or a cool mountain region? I always enjoy reading your comments because every place has its own interesting stories about hair and wellness. Feel free to leave a little note below. When all these ingredients come together, they create a blend that brings a gentle sense of restoration and relaxation to the body in a very natural way. No complicated preparation needed, just a few familiar ingredients, yet the comfort they bring can be surprisingly pleasant. It's a simple, soothing formula that can feel helpful for your well-being each day. Now add 500 ml of water and blend everything thoroughly until smooth. I still remember the first time I made this detox drink on a cool morning. My body felt heavy and mentally I was a bit sluggish. But after just a few days of sipping it regularly, I started to notice a clear difference. My body felt lighter, my stomach less uncomfortable, and my mind more alert and at ease. What surprised me most wasn't how quickly I noticed it, but the feeling of being gently recharged, not overly energized, not tired afterward, just a calm, refreshing sense spreading throughout my body. Since then, this detox drink has become a little habit whenever I want to help my body feel reset. And I truly believe that if you give it a try, you may also enjoy that same pleasantly refreshing feeling. If you prefer a smoother drink, strain the mixture through a fine sieve. This makes the liquid clearer, easier to enjoy, and perfect for anyone who likes a light, refreshing texture. After straining, you'll have a beautiful, gently fragrant liquid filled with natural nutrients. This becomes the base for a drink that can help your stomach feel more comfortable, ease that heavy feeling, and bring a sense of natural relaxation. With just a few simple steps, you've created a fresh, healthy drink straight from nature to enjoy each day. Store the remaining liquid in the refrigerator and use it within 3 days to keep it fresh and full of goodness. Just 1 glass of natural vegetable juice, a light meal, or a few minutes of relaxation can help the liver, heart, and digestive system feel more in harmony. Small habits like these may gradually bring a gentle sense of comfort and well-being to your everyday life. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips. Natural beauty, healthy every day.